Hello students, welcome back. It's time to do some math and play with beanbags. I made my own beanbags, and at the end of the video I'll show you how to make your beanbags at home. This is going to be fun. Today's activity is called Where's the Beanbag? We are going to get a piece of paper and record where the beanbag lands by putting an X on it. Then we'll say a math sentence about where the beanbag is. Is it in front of, behind, or beside the box? That doesn't sound too hard, does it? No, it does not. I'll also show you how to make your own beanbags using socks and beans. Let's go to the carpet to begin. All right, I have everything ready for our activity. I have beanbags, a box in the middle, and a paper to record my throws. The first thing I need to do is to put a box on the paper, like this. This box is in the middle of the paper, and this means the box that's over there. I will be putting an X on this page when the beanbag lands next to the box. Before we get started, let's make sure we know our special vocabulary. This is in front. The beanbag is in front of the box. This is behind the box. The beanbag is behind the box. This is next to or beside. The beanbag is beside the box. This is in or inside. The beanbag is inside the box. Now that we know our special vocabulary, I'm ready to throw the beanbag. I threw it too hard. It landed behind the box. I'm going to put an X on my paper like this. This means that the beanbag landed behind the box. Where is the beanbag? The beanbag is behind the box. Let me try again. This time it was too short. I'm going to put an X here in front of the box on my page. Where is the beanbag? The beanbag is in front of the box. I have one more beanbag. Let's see how I do. I made it! Where is the beanbag? The beanbag is inside the box. Let's look at my paper. Each X shows a time I threw the beanbag that it did not land in the box. Let's count the X's together to see how many times I threw the beanbags before I got it in the box. 1, 2 times. I threw 2 beanbags before it landed in the box. Now it's your turn. I have the beanbags here and the box is in the middle. What else do I need? Did you say a paper and a pencil to record where the beanbags land? That is correct. I have my paper here. What do I need to put on it? Where should I put the box? In the middle? All right. One box right in the middle. What do you want me to do next? Throw the beanbags? Okay. Did you see where it landed? What do I do next? You want me to put an X on the paper? Okay. But where? I'll put the X next to our box to show where the beanbag landed. Like this. Okay. Now we can see where the beanbag and I got one more. I got one more beanbag. Let's see where it lands. Did you see that? It landed inside. We need to say, we need to say where the beanbags landed. The first beanbag landed beside the box, and the second one landed inside the box. Because it landed inside the box, we don't need to put an X on it. I like the way you guys said your sentences. I got one more beanbag. Let's try it one more time. Where did the beanbag land? Where should I put it on my paper? In front of the box? Okay, in front of the box. Now what do we have to do? We have to say it in a sentence? Okay, go ahead. Ooh, I like the way you said that. The beanbag is in front of the box. Good job, students. It is your turn to play the game at home. All you need is a box or a basket to use as a target, some beanbags, and a piece of paper to write down your X's. If you don't have a piece of paper, you could write X's on the little piece of paper, and then you can mark it down where the beanbag landed, like this. Landed right there. Take turns throwing the beanbags and making the little X's. And don't forget to say your sentences to grown-ups. We enjoy hearing your sentences. I'm now going to show you how to make your own beanbags. All you need are some long socks and some beans. I'm going to use a half a cup of black beans today. You have to use long socks like this. Stretch it if you like. It feels good when it stretches. Okay. The first thing you need to do is to turn the sock inside out like this. Then we need to make a knot at the end of the sock like this. You can ask an adult to make a knot for you if you need help. Then turn it inside out again. The sock is now ready to fill with beans. You can fill it with your hands because I know the beans feel good. The bigger the sock, the easier it is to fill. Mr. V is going to use a funnel because it is easier for me. I'm going to fill it like this. See? Some more. Oh, we're almost done. And a little more. Oh, filled all the way to the top. Might be too much. Now all we need to do is make another knot. Like this. Oh, we're almost there. All right. Now we have our beanbag. After you are done making your beanbag, bring it to our next Zoom class so you can show it to your teachers and friends. Did you have fun doing math today? Mr. V loves math, and I had fun doing math with you. We will do some more math tomorrow. Until then, bye students.